So I have built a couple of RWB cars in the past. Those were from C1 models. This one is pretty similar as it is also a separate body and also needs the Tamiya kit as a base. So let's jump into it. Pretty plain little white box with the nice box art and price on the side. And in there you will find some bubble wrap and another empty box. And of course inside that bubble wrap you have the kit itself. So this one is a body, has some photo etch parts and also the rear wing. So to start off with the body, it is really nicely cast all in one piece except for the rear spoiler, as you can choose to use one from the kit, some other aftermarket options, or of course this big one with some of those nice new spoilers, and I think it's a bit more aggressive. Now to go over the body a bit more, it is pretty much an exact replica of the Tamiya kit itself from here, and then the new front bumper of course has been modified. The lips have been added, the over fenders have been added as well. All the panel lines have been cleaned up a bit and it looks absolutely perfect, no imperfections to be found whatsoever. It does have a piece where the mold, or at least the resin, has been poured into the mold. Might need a bit of cleaning, but doesn't look that bad, and this is number 35. Now back when Scaleproduction brought this kit out, they had the option to go with the photo edge and the spoiler, and also without. I chose to use the spoiler and the photo edge as I really like these disc brakes. It adds a lot to the build, and the spoiler is also what kind of finishes it. In the past I created my own spoilers, and to one I added a ducktail, and it wasn't really the result I was after, as this is pretty much the RWB style that I'm looking for. So I decided to use this one for this build.